Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create an image with AI for free using Pippit AI. Okay, first of all guys, you need to go to the Pippit AI website and you're going to sign in to this website with your Google account. Once you sign into this website, you will earn credits for free. And you just need to sign in daily to get free credits. And you can use the credit to create something with the AI. And for today, I'm going to create an image. So we're going to go to the home and select image feature. And then here you can describe something that you want to create. For me, I'm going to create this image, 3D image. And you can choose the model. You can use the Nano Banana or Sea Dream. And I'm just going to use the Nano Banana. And for the ratio, I'm going to choose this ratio. And you can also choose the canvas. I'm just going to go back. And I'm going to send this prompt. Okay, and hold on. The image is being generated. Okay, done guys, and this is the result. Wow, it's cool. And after the image has been created, you can try to animate it, or you can also upscale the image, or you can edit the image as you want. And if you want to download it, just click on the download option and the image will be saved to your device. Okay guys, and that's how we can create image with AI using Pippit AI for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!